It's a new 2020 BMW X5. When it's up to you, you get the most space, finest luxury, and best view. Take charge of the road in this X5. It's well equipped with the features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, multi-zone climate control, autonomous cruise control, doors and push-button start proximity key, power tilting steering column, intercooled turbo i6 engine, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, automatic with driver control suspension management, and automatic transmission. Built for those who don't compromise on quality or driving pleasure. Built to be a BMW. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.
Nick Alexander BMW is your premier Los Angeles BMW dealer. We're conveniently located at 6333 South Alameda Street in the Huntington Park neighborhood of Los Angeles.